Good day learners. In this video we are doing the electrolysis of a concentrated solution of sodium chloride. So remember, they say it's a solution, which means there is a water involved here. So we have H2O there, water, that is H2O. Then if it's a solution, which means this salt, the sodium chloride, will separate form ions, which means we have here the sodium ion and a chloride ion, that is Cl minus. We have Cl minus here. Now these substances, if ndingatsho zoyi-3 zifuna ureactor, ereactayo izoza kwi-electrode. So we have this electrode that is positive, we have this electrode that is negative. So leni electrode positive kulapho kuzoya khona a negative ion, that is anode. This one anode izovumela bakuze i-negative ion, and this one izovumela bakuze a positive ion, that is cathode. This one is a cathode. So upper we have 3. So yeyiphi ke ngoyokuqala? Ngenxa yoba i-chlorine i-high reactive, i-chlorine yona izokhawuleza ithathe indawo yayo apha. So i-chlorine will form here, kubekho ii-bubbles there around this anode. So i-chlorine nantsiya ifomisheke pha at the anode. Remember ke, we use NOx so that sizo understand, meaning that kwi-anode kwenzeka i-oxidation. We use red cat, meaning that kwi-cathode kwenzeka i-reduction, which means i-chlorine will undergo oxidation reaction. Then ngapha izoba ngu-reduction reaction. So i-chlorine ngenxa yoba i-high reactive, so yona seyihambile. Now we are stuck with water no sodium ion. Which one of two will undergo reduction? So remember, reduction is reduction sithetha nge-substance that is reduced there, which means lo substance oxidizing agent. So ithethe ukuthi ke ngoku kwezi zoyi-2 siyojonga kwi-table which one is a stronger oxidizing agent, because ezi zoyi-2 zikhompitha ngo-undergo reduction. So sifuna ujonge ngo which one is a stronger oxidizing agent, itsho i-react. Now let's quickly go to the standard reduction potential. Siyojonga yeyiphi lisi stronger oxidizing agent kwezi zoyi-2, that is H2O and sodium ion. So nansi sodium ion, then H2O, now H2O. Then sikhangele ke ngokuba kweliphi icala u-oxidizing agent. This is oxidizing agent. Then i-R ijonge yiphi kulo mgca wa-oxidize ezantsi. So njengoba ziyi-2 ezinto apha, lo mgca lo uthi esezantsi is a stronger oxidizing agent, which means H2O in this case is a stronger oxidizing agent. So H2O is a stronger oxidizing agent than which one? Than sodium ion, than Na plus, meaning that since it's strong H2O will be reduced, nguye ozoba reduced u-H2O, meaning that usodium ion yena will not be reduced. So akazureacta ubani sodium ion. So sesiyifumene ke ngoku ewinayo kula competition u-H2O because it's stronger oxidizing agent. Therefore u-H2O uzoreact, but this ion is a spectator ngoku. Therefore nango u-H2O ereacta phaa uzofika ngenapho u-H2O a-react aformishe i-hydrogen gas. So sitsho sibhale ke kwi-reaction zethu. So we have oxidation reaction. We have reduction reaction. So oxidation reaction sesishilo sathi into enokwenza nabani no-Cl. So Cl pha is formed as a product. Then reduction hydrogen is formed as a product. So xa siyibhala ke ngola reaction pha oxidation wethu sizothatha la reaction ka-Cl. Remember zonke ii-reaction eziphaa zingu-reduction kula table, zonke sezingu-reduction because kuthiwani standard reduction potential, which means le nto uyibona apha ke ngoku if you want to write u-oxidation reaction yigqwetha. So naku chlorine ume kanje ku-reduction lo. So oxidation zomqala ngapha xa ndimbhala ndiye ngaphaya. So sibe siyigqibile ke ngoku leya that is the electrolysis of sodium chloride. So sizoba no-2Cl minus iqala le siyise le ibe ngu-Cl2 plus 2 electrons. The gas is formed. The gas that is formed there kula anode, chlorine gas. Then siphinde ke ngoku kulena u-H2O is reduced pha ugaina i-electrons. Nango H2O pha gaina i-electrons uformisha i-hydrogen gas plus OH minus. So xa ubuza uba yiphi gas that is formed there at the cathode, that is the hydrogen gas. So sibe siyigqibile ke ngoku pha. Obviously so question izoba khona pha kubuza uba why ku-reacte i-water but not the sodium ion. Remember sithe water is a stronger reducing agent than sodium ion, meaning that xa i-oxidizing agent water is being reduced there. Is a stronger oxidizing agent, meaning that it will be reduced, but this one will not be reduced. So ilula kanjalo ke ngoku le. So into of nesi understand is that the aim yale electrolysis of sodium chloride is to produce the gas a chlorine, is to produce a hydrogen a chlorine. Enye ibingaproduceka i-oxygen, which means ezi gases esizifunayo apha kule topic sifuna ezi gases kakuhle kakuhle. So make sure that this one is a product, this one is a product, this one is a product. Uzobe uyiwinile ke ngoku. Omnye uzobuza ke uba why we choose lana amanzi? It's because lana amanzi ano-hydrogen can only undergo reduction. That is, la manzi angareduceka only. Then amanye amanzi ano-oxygen wona can only undergo oxidation, which means lana amanzi can only be oxidized lana oxygen. If uyibambe kanjalo uzoba right, oxidized. Anga-oxidized qha. So wona aya only kwi-anode xa sekuthiwa sithetha ngawo. But xa sesiyijonge i-oxygen versus u-Cl versus la oxygen. Sorry, u-Cl versus la oxygen. U-Cl is high reactive, take over kulawa amanzi ano-oxygen, which means this one will not be formed in this problem sikuyo ngoku injalo.